Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. So, how are you guys? Today I'm going to talk about the microphone because microphone one of the tools we use normally for the audio part. Alright. There are several types of microphone used in the program preparations, including recording outside and inside of the studio. Alright. The differences about the microphone is according to the sensitive, right? And here are the types of microphone and their sensitivities. First, omnidirectional, which is microphone respond for all corners. Bidirectional, microphone will respond from front and back direction. Unidirectional, this type of microphone chooses sound only from one direction only. Okay, next. These are all directions, two directions, and one direction. Okay, this one is for the all directions. This one for the two directions, and this one for only one direction. Okay. Next. Okay. Microphone used for the omnidirectional microphone is a good for the outside, but needs a windshield and the ability to report clearly. Alright. Bidirectional microphone is not suitable for outdoor recording. It's not appropriate to make a recording too close, distance less than 1 foot, designed for the studio. Alright. Unidirectional microphone suitable for the studio and outside relay requires a windscreen even in noisy conditions. Is popular for new distributor or typewriters. Example. Okay. Next, manufacturer reviewers. Okay. So the reviewing tools usually consist of a lipstick of microphone that is usually closely effects of the background microphone. So microphone, for example, used in a noisy place, used for the tape, for example, or the digital record, digital memory, and so on. The witness are not easy to use for the interviews. It's not easy to use for the interviews. Impact microphone, the ability to balance the sound, the reviewer with the sound and background setting. Okay. Next. Mobile recorder. Now we have the digital voice recorders, cell phone, and so on. These are mobile recorder to record the sounds. Okay. The chain of broadcasting is most of control panel for the studio, and central control room can accommodate some resources connected to the mixers panel, including the CD player, microphone, external line, radio connection, for example. Or now when we talk about digital, okay, with the computer, and so on. Okay, so the system control, for example, and so on. Okay, so this the external line, okay, connection with the computer, digital, live streaming, internet connection, and so on. Okay. And another one, the program control involving various sources, where is the certain sources that we need to control, for example, like the mixers and so on. Okay. Shake recording or hold, for example, sometimes when we record, they have shake and so on. Okay. So control the design is well located either in the studio or a small control room. Before being air-to-air broadcast, for example, quality will be monitored to the transmitter. Okay. Next, okay, online goods. Online goods. Online is used to connect remote studio transmitter, network station, and broadcast outside the studio to the central studio. Okay, this possibility when the air-to-air broadcast occur distortions or loss of signal due to distance, and then to avoid the distortion of the half smaller transmitter, increase in some places, especially protected areas. And then frequency loss and consideration. An unbalanced frequency response can be reinvented using a balances. An amplifier called a booster mounted a small transmitter tube in certain places. Okay. Music and control list. The line used for the purpose of program is offset. Higher quality circuitry is a circuit that has a horizontal frequency response of music because there's ability to circuit the channel music without damaging its quality. And then the music line leading to the transmitter is mounted directly and permanently. And also circuit are also used to channel plan and donation, and the circuit also known as a show or radio line. Okay. Low quality lines are used to provide billboards for remote studio and sport stadiums are the same as those used for public telephones. Studio control room, the studio and control room are the part of the inside your radio station. And the control room where is the source blender user mixes panel chance to deliver full program and complete with the intercom, for example microphone and acoustics. Okay, the control room must be in acoustic to avoid the noise and so on. Alright, studio. Yes, related to the microphone according to the instruction. Producer in control room, where is the material is voice that road has been coexisted together because self-managed plants, right? And the control availability, audio mixer console, where is the control panel consists of mixers, switches to the select source in the bar and to channel the out switch to the select source in bar and to channel the output of the specific line or line group, and switch also for cue and tracking purposes. Okay. Confidence control to stay safety in the studio. The location as the waves from with operator and contains a slider that available to the surface of the play duty and also retrieve feed. Feed are normally used arranged in a group for easy use, for example like CDs and tape, and now we have a digital and so on. We get and left and sources such as recorder to the right. Another switch is like intercom switch like cue and so on. Okay. Take level, the source must always be heard and also check the meter before blending to on air. Sometimes level control is necessary blending the broadcast material because no control of the information to be communicated will be interrupt. And also microphone level, the power of speaker voice varies. For example, microphone distance with presenter also varies. In such a setting of presence should be performed every time the recording is done. Okay. Manual control. The effect of signal source head can be control of the user in the mixer's audio. This is control. Mixer console is either by hand, manual, or automatically. The process of fading in the source into a plan known as a fade in or removing from a plan. And fade out can be performed by the plan is in progress. And an equilibrium is the set of the microphone according to the correct distance from the source can be done through the fader in the audio mixer console. Mix is a complete plan is blended using the audio mix consoles. Resources can be changed to the roof, each adapter of the dynamics, and system can take advantage of local listener domestic, so that music, speech, and the studio inside other phone can be balanced simply and no different to the material are annoying. Okay, that's it. Alright, thank you, and Assalamualaikum. Bye.